So now that we have registered students, we have registered courses for the department, it's now time to do the sessional course registration. We can do it individually, or we can do class level sessional course registration. If we come back to the software, when you want to do the registration for all students at the beginning of a session, it is preferable to do class registration. Our table is empty. So I have a list of courses that first year students should register for. For example, these are the courses here: first semester courses, second semester courses. Either you have this list from the course advisor for the level, or the students have already done their online course registration and you have a list of their courses like this in a document. For 100 level is easy because all the students are likely going to take the same course for a program. You come here and say register sessional course registration, and then you choose class. That's where this came from. Here you will see all the programs that have been registered. So we are going to take the regular program. It's going to give you some information to begin with. Select the session. Make sure you select the session. Make sure you select the level. So when you select the level, all the students are registered in 100 level 2021-2022 will be listed on this side. If you count it, you will see there are 17 here. If you selected 200 level, all the students who are registered via direct entry in 200 level for this session will be listed here. You see there are only 3 students. So that is why it is important to make sure you select these choices on this side. In this window you will see that there are 2 parts. One is first semester on this side, the other is second semester. So we are going to select first semester courses and add. We are going to select second semester courses and add. By 111, click on this, goes to first semester. So I've added all these courses. I'm going to leave the MTH111 to demonstrate something later in case you made a mistake and forgot to add one. Let's go to second semester courses. Again, I'm going to leave out physics 122 here. So I've left MTH111 physics 122 in case you made a mistake. Now, I want to advise you that you should try as much as possible not to be making mistakes in this registration. Be sure of all the courses you want to register and make sure that all the courses that need to be registered are selected. But this is just for a demo in case you made a mistake. So we'll click this double arrow and put it here. Cross-check all the courses again to be sure that every course that needed to be registered has been registered. Because if you make a mistake here, you will not be able to come back to this class registration to add a course. You have to do it individually. It is a security feature so that costly mistakes will not occur. You cannot be able to add or remove courses indiscriminately for this sessional course registration. You can only do that on individual level. So if you are in a department where there are 200 students, 300 students in one class, you see the reason why you need to be careful, because you have to do that individually for all the students if you miss a course. So you take a look at this and discover that MTH 111 is not there, physics 112 is not there. You can clear this screen and clear this screen. Then you can put physics 122 in second semester, and you can put MTH 111 for first semester, the courses that have been omitted, and you click again what you have here. So you discover that MTH 111 and physics 122 have been added to make the courses 17, even though they are at the bottom because they are added last. First semester and second semester still indicates which semesters the courses will be taken. So when you are sure that all the courses required to be selected have been selected, the credit has been met, you can now click post record. It's going to give you some advice. So you can see that we waited for quite a few seconds before it finished adding 17 records to the system for the 17 students. Now this is where the RAM on your computer becomes important and the speed of your computer becomes important. I am using a Core i7 laptop with 8 GB RAM, and you can see how many seconds it took. So you can imagine when you have a bigger class, maybe 100 students or more, and you have a slower computer, it will take you quite some waiting before all the records are added. So you click OK. Now we are done with this window. If you want to update any data from here, you will have to go to the individual course registration. So if we go to register individual, you will see that once we select the course, the program, the results are shown for each of the students. So we select, you can scroll through and see that all the students have registered for the same course. Now in 100 level, all of them are registering the same course, so it's easier. Later on we see how to do it for 200 level and beyond. When some students have some carryover and you need to add it individually for those students, and you need to delete some courses individually for some students, this is where you do it.